Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to destroy objects in Unity. First we are going to create a shattered object in Cinema 4D with this help of the plugin. First copy the plugin to Cinema 4D root directory and plugins. I have done it already. Then open up Cinema 4D. After it open, create two cubes. And also create a plane. Scale it a bit bigger. Then go to cube 1, go to plugins and open a plugin. I'm gonna make 95 pieces of this. Click on break now. Okay, so it is done. Now we have this cube which is break, and this cube is normal cube. First select two cubes, go to simulation tag and apply rigid body to them. Go to plane and apply collider body tag. Now if you play the animation, you can see this cube breaks, but this cube don't break. Now click on file, export and export it at FBX format. I'm gonna save it on desktop. Hit save. Hit OK. Okay, now open up your Unity. Click on work offline. I'm gonna create a new project here. Now drag your animation to Unity Assist folder. Open it on your scene. Now this is the cube that is broken, so we are gonna call it crack. Now just go to crack and select every pieces by shift clicking 1 and 95. Click on add component and add rigid body. Turn mass to 0.5. Add component mass collider. Click on convex. Now just drag it to your assist folder and delete it from here. Now go to your cube and then apply a rigid body tag to it. Make the mass to the 10 kilo. Then go to plane and add collider body or box collider. Then again go to cube and add box collider on it. Now let's write our script to destroy it. Now delete first two functions and mention our cube. We are gonna call it public game object crack. Write a new function void on mouse down. This function is gonna call when we press our mouse button. Add two empty brackets. Now type instantiate to spawn our cracked cube. Place crack over here. Crack. Now we are gonna get current position, so write transform.position. It is gonna take position of our original cube. And for rotation, hit transform dot rotation. Now add a semicolon. Again, to destroy our original cube, we are gonna write destroy and game object. Now apply this script to our original cube. Now apply this script to our original cube. Now just add crack to here, drag it. Now hit play. And whenever you click your mouse button, it is gonna break down. Okay, I have set the light according to our gameplay. Now if we click play and then press our mouse button, you can see it is breakdown. This is how you can create a simple destroy animation in Unity and Cinema 4D. Thanks for watching my video.